Working from home can be lonely. So Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte found someone to keep her company. On Instagram, she shared her new work-from-home buddy, Porky. Porky is an addition to the presidential daughter's stuffed toy collection. Mayor Inday has a riding buddy named Elvis. Elvis kept her company during the 2019 campaign trail for the senatorial candidates of HNP or Hugpong ng Pagbabago.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.